Good morning, students. Welcome to Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings, the last part of the lesson Evaporation. What is evaporation? The phenomenon of change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Particles of matter are always moving and are never at rest. At a given temperature, in any gas, liquid, or solid, there are particles with different amounts of kinetic energy. In the case of liquids, a small fraction of particles at the surface having higher kinetic energy is able to break away from the forces of attraction of other particles and get converted into vapor. What is the difference between evaporation and boiling? Boiling is a bulk phenomenon, but evaporation is a surface phenomenon. The factors affecting evaporation are speed of the wind, temperature, surface area, and humidity. Wind speed. With the increase in wind speed, the particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surroundings. So, increase in wind speed increases the rate of evaporation. Another factor, temperature. How it affects the rate of evaporation, let us see. With the increase of temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into the vapor state. So with the increase of temperature, the rate of evaporation also increases. Another factor that affects the rate of evaporation is surface area. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. If the surface area is increased, the rate of evaporation also increases. For example, while putting clothes for drying up, we spread them out. Humidity also affects the rate of evaporation. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water in air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreases. So, higher the humidity, lesser the evaporation. How does evaporation cause cooling? The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surroundings to regain the energy lost during evaporation. This absorption of energy from the surroundings make the surroundings cold. Let us see some examples for this. How does the water kept in an earthen pot become cool during summer? The earthen pot has small pores on its surface. When we keep water in the pot, the water seeps through the pores and gets evaporated. During this evaporation, it takes the heat energy from its surroundings, that is from the water, and makes the water in the pot cool. Why should we wear cotton clothes in summer? During summer, we perspire, that is, we sweat more because of mechanism of our body which keeps us cool. We know that during evaporation, the particles at the surface of the liquid gain energy from the surroundings, that is our body surface, and change into vapor. The heat energy equal to the latent heat of vaporization is absorbed from the body, leaving the body cool. Cotton, being good absorber of water, help in absorbing the sweat and exposing it to the atmosphere for easy evaporation. Why do we see water droplets on the outer surface of a glass containing ice cold water? Let's take some ice cold water in a tumbler. Soon we will see water droplets on the outer surface of the tumbler. The water vapor present in air and coming in contact with the cold glass of water loses energy and gets converted into liquid state, which we see as water droplets on the surface of the glass. So today you learnt about what is evaporation, what are the factors affecting the rate of evaporation, and different examples from our day-to-day life.